Welcome to Legit Consumer. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most iconic timepieces in luxury watchmaking, the Rolex Submariner. Renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship, timeless design, and robust performance, the Submariner has set the standard for dive watches and evolved into a symbol of elegance and precision. In this video, we'll explore its storied heritage, innovative features, and enduring appeal that continues to captivate collectors and enthusiasts alike. Join us as we delve into every detail of this legendary watch, and don't forget to subscribe to Legit Consumer for more exclusive reviews and expert insights into the world of fine horology. Let's get started. The Rolex Submariner is one of the most iconic and recognizable luxury watches in the world, revered for its timeless design, outstanding durability, and deep-rooted connection to professional diving. Introduced in 1953, the Submariner was the first wristwatch to be water-resistant to 100 meters, 330 feet, marking a groundbreaking innovation in horology. Over the decades, it has evolved significantly in terms of design, materials, and technology, yet it has maintained its unmistakable essence. Today, modern iterations of the Submariner boast water resistance up to 300 meters, 1,000 feet, Cerachrom ceramic bezels, scratch-resistant sapphire crystals, and Rolex's in-house automatic movements, ensuring precision, robustness, and longevity. At the heart of the Rolex Submariner is Rolex's Oyster Perpetual case, a hallmark of strength and water resistance, crafted from oyster steel, a 904L stainless steel alloy known for its superior corrosion resistance and exceptional polish. The case is meticulously engineered, with a triplock winding crown that enhances water resistance by forming a secure, hermetic seal. The unidirectional rotatable bezel, a critical component for divers, allows precise tracking of dive times. Constructed from Cerachrom, Rolex's proprietary ceramic material, the bezel is virtually impervious to scratches, UV rays, and saltwater corrosion. The bezel's 60-minute graduations are filled with platinum or gold PVD coating, ensuring long-lasting legibility and functionality. One of the key defining features of the Rolex Submariner is its dial design, which prioritizes readability under challenging underwater conditions. The maxi dial, found in modern submariners, features larger hour markers and hands, all coated with chromolite luminescence, which emits a long-lasting blue glow in low-light conditions. The classic Mercedes hands, named for the distinctive three-pointed hour hand, provide an additional layer of recognition and utility. The date versions of the Submariner feature Rolex's Cyclops lens, positioned over the date window at 3 o'clock, magnifying the date by 2.5 times for enhanced readability. Rolex has continuously improved the movement technology within the Submariner, equipping it with some of the most advanced mechanical calibers in the watchmaking industry. The modern Submariner date models utilize the caliber 3235, an in-house superlative chronometer-certified automatic movement with 70 hours of power reserve, Parachrom hairspring for shock and temperature resistance, and an efficient chronergy escapement that improves precision and longevity. The Note 8 Submariner is powered by the caliber 3230, which shares the same cutting-edge features minus the date function. Both movements guarantee an accuracy of plus or minus 2 seconds per day, surpassing COSC chronometer standards. The bracelet of the Rolex Submariner is another testament to the brand's attention to detail and commitment to wearer comfort. The watch features an oyster bracelet, known for its robust 3-link construction, secured by a glide lock extension system that allows precise micro-adjustments in 2 mm increments, up to 20 mm. This feature is particularly beneficial for divers who need to wear the watch over wetsuits. The oyster lock clasp ensures security, preventing accidental opening. Throughout its history, the Submariner has not only been a tool watch for divers but also a status symbol worn by celebrities, athletes, and world leaders. Its presence in pop culture is undeniable, perhaps most famously worn by James Bond in early films like Dr. No, 1962, and Goldfinger, 1964, where Sean Connery sported a Submariner 6538 on a leather strap. Over time, the watch has graced the wrists of figures such as Steve McQueen, Robert Redford, and more recently, David Beckham. The Submariner's ability to transition seamlessly from an extreme sports tool to a refined luxury statement has solidified its legendary status. Rolex offers the Submariner in various material configurations, including oyster steel, stainless steel, two-tone Rolzer, steel and yellow gold, and solid gold models in yellow, white, and rose gold. One of the most sought-after models is the green bezel Submariner, affectionately nicknamed the Hulk, Ref 116610LV, and its successor, the Kermit, Ref 126610LV, which feature striking green ceramic bezels that make them unique collector's pieces. Other popular references include the classic black bezel submariners and the all-gold bluesy two-tone submariner with a blue bezel and dial. Collectors and enthusiasts appreciate the investment potential of the Rolex Submariner, as it has historically appreciated in value due to its desirability, limited production, and Rolex's meticulous craftsmanship. Vintage models, such as the Ref 5513, 1680, and 14060, have become highly sought-after collector's pieces, often fetching premium prices in auctions. The modern iterations, while widely available at authorized Rolex dealers, are still subject to long waiting lists, making them difficult to acquire at retail prices. Ultimately, the Rolex Submariner is more than just a watch, it is a symbol of adventure, precision, and prestige. Whether worn by a professional diver exploring the ocean depths or an executive in a boardroom, the Submariner exudes an unmatched level of versatility and sophistication. With its timeless aesthetics, cutting-edge engineering, and unwavering reliability, the Rolex Submariner remains the gold standard in dive watches, continuing to set the benchmark for luxury sports timepieces well into the future. Thank you for joining us for this comprehensive review of the Rolex Submariner. We hope our deep dive into its precision engineering, timeless design, and storied heritage has enriched your appreciation for one of the most iconic luxury timepieces in the world. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just beginning your journey into fine watches, the Submariner remains a benchmark of excellence and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and share your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments below. We value your feedback and insights. Don't forget to subscribe to Legit Consumer and hit the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth reviews, expert insights, and the latest updates from the world of horology. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as we continue to explore the art and science of fine watchmaking.